watching if you guys want to see how I achieve this look.
Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing y'all this wig. So I am not gonna bleach the knots today, guys. I'm not gonna bleach the knots because I don't have no bleach, and I'll probably be doing an updated version on this wig of when I actually do have bleach. But for right now, I got this wig from a company that of course I will always have coming across the screen. And you guys, this wig, let me go show y'all some of the specs. Let me show y'all the specs. So I put makeup on inside the wig already, but the lace is so nice and thin, in a good way though, in a very good way. Like, I know this bitch gonna smell good. So it is a 13 by 4, y'all, and it came pre-plugged. Get into it. Yeah, look at her, observe her, love her. So there are, I want to say ooh, baby, please shut me up real quick. There are 4 combs in here, and it's got adjustable straps. But she is big head friendly because my head is not nobody's small head. It's medium. I say my head is medium, but I feel like she gonna fit me just right. So I got my little, napkin, just, I'm gonna plug her though. And y'all wanna see? I'm just playing. Go on, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm following what these people been saying, and I'm trying these new techniques because I want my wig to look like scalp. I want to be like everybody else. I mean, I've already failed at the first step because I ain't bleach it, but stick with me. Stick with me. Bear with me.
Okay, so right now I'm just spraying a little bit of water on the hairline, and I'm doing this because it makes the plucking process so much easier. And as you guys can see, it makes the hairline a lot more visible. And yeah, the hairline is pre-plucked, but I just knew that I want to customize it a little bit more for what I want my hairline to look like. So I'm just spraying a little bit more water, combing those hairs out the way, and just seeing what it looks like before I pluck it. So right now I'm just taking out the hairline that's already been plucked, and I'm focusing on those hairs that I think could just use a little bit more thinning out. And again, I'm not going over the same parts a whole bunch of times because I don't want the hairline to be bald, and I don't want it to look like spotty or splotchy, whatever. I don't want it to look uneven too bad. So right here I'm just taking out the hair, and I'm taking it out just like very naturally because I don't want it to look just like very harsh. While you're plucking, I do suggest like stopping and stepping back just so you can really see what it looks like as you're going. And I would just say that so you don't look up and see that you've like plucked a whole lot of hair out of your hairline. So I would say as you're plucking, do not forget to like stop and just step back and see what it looks like. So right here, I just kind of wanted to show you guys like a little side-by-side comparison. So once I finished plucking the wig, I did wash the hair, and with this wig you will notice that there is a lot of shedding, and that was even after I kind of got out all the hairs from plucking. So right now I'm just showing you guys my ball cap method, and to achieve my makeup color I use the color, what is the coconut from Fit Me, and then I use Born to Glow by NYX in the color Mocha. Also would not recommend this giant pair of scissors thing, not cool. So to secure my ball cap, I just use Got To Be, and I just use my blow dryer on like a medium heat, and then I go in with those scissors as you see to just kind of flatten everything down. And I go over this like multiple times. I want to say like 2 times of just doing the scissors and the Got To Be and just blow drying it and really sticking it to the forehead. And then right here I'm just using one layer of this here stuff to stick this to my head. I'm not gonna lie, it's very much so giving like if Rey Mysterio decided he wanted to be a city girl. To secure it, I just kind of ran my blow dryer on my head for like 2 minutes on like a medium heat. So right now I'm just going in with 70% alcohol just to clean my hairline and just remove any makeup. Kind of ruined that a little bit, but I just wanted everything to match, so I'm just going in with a little bit of powder. You've never seen a cuter brown egg, don't lie.
So as y'all can see, I kind of cut it because I like to go in sections when I'm doing this, just because I'm not like, I just can't do it and just slap it on. I can't do that. So I'm gonna work in sections and then just glue it on, and then when it's on, it's on. So I should let y'all know that after I got done basically plucking the hair, I went ahead and washed and conditioned the hair just to get all the hairs out, and just because, it's been shipped and I don't know where it's been, who touched it, and it's just nice to know it's clean. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and, put my ear tabs. That's crazy. I'm just knowing I cut too much. Nope. Okay.
So I cut the wig into sections so it'd be easier to put on. And right now I'm just using some glue that I got from Amazon. And I'm applying 2 layers as evenly as I can get them. So right now I'm just flattening out as much as I can, making sure to cover both the cap and the area really where I want the wig to stick. And I'm just going back over it again. And I'm using the coolest setting to dry this. Like, I'm not using the hot setting at all. So I'm just going over with my brush and, well, my comb. And I'm just combing this down just to really get it stuck and just make sure it looks the way that I want it to look. And I'm just separating my baby hair. I'm going in with that Ebon lace spray. So that is the holy grail of this. I'm making sure that I'm going over there and just blow drying and just making sure that anything that doesn't get laid down by this glue is getting laid down by that spray. And I'm just going to repeat the exact same process all over my head, making sure to go in with that glue, flattening it out with the comb, and just making sure to really make sure it's as even as possible before blow drying on the coolest setting. I feel like this is a step that you should take if you just really want to make sure that the lace is really stuck on your head. So right now I am getting ready to style the wig, and you guys, this is a hairstyle I've never done before, so I'm kind of really excited. I'm just getting my sideburns out the way, and right now I'm just getting my bang piece ready. Like, y'all, I'm excited. So right now I'm just picking out the hairs that I want to make just, you know, a cute little swoop on the side. So I'm just picking those hairs out, just trying to make them look as natural as possible. So I just wanted it to be a little bit more customized right there. So I'm just going in with my tweezers. So here I am right now applying the elastic band just to make sure everything is really laid before I get into the styling process. So first I'm just going to focus on the bang piece, and I'm just brushing it out and just going in with a little bit of Got2b just so it doesn't go anywhere. And then I'm just going in with my high comb just to flatten everything out. Guys, I am such a perfectionist when it comes to my hair, and I tell you, there is always one little piece trying to ruin the show. So I kind of use my brush to kind of swoop the hair in the direction and just the way that I wanted it to go. So I just kind of went in over and over until I got the shape I wanted. And right now I'm just brushing that hair really, really flat in my head. Y'all, it's giving scalp, man. Shut up. I'm sorry. It's giving scalp though, y'all. Yeah, shut up. Don't talk to me. You're not finna tell me I ain't going to sell my scalp. So this was probably the hardest part out of all of the hair doing. Like, this was the hardest part, just trying to curl these little bitty pieces on the side. Yeah, cast me at Bridgerton right now. In between sprays, I do go in with my blow dryer just to get the hair a little bit sticky before I go in and comb it. So when I'm doing my edges, I really just try to make sure to get the top of the hair without just kind of covering the entire hair in spray. So right now I'm just kind of doing like a backwards curl just to give a nice flip look. So when I curl my hair, I make sure the spray got to be on it beforehand, and then I just take my flat iron, get right on the ends, and just try to keep a really nice tight curl. Now, I'm not even gonna lie, I knew I ate you girls up with this. So for the top, I just make sure to kind of make the pieces a bit smaller, but the process is exactly the same. I'm just going in with a little Got2b, and then I go with my flat iron, and boom, you see it.
So this is the end result though. I like it though. I love it, honestly. I think this is so cute.
Now, I'm not gonna lie, the wig is super cute, but to be honest, I probably wouldn't recommend it because of shedding.
But I think this is so cute. So this is an 18-inch wig, and it's a 13x4, and this is what I chose to do. I've never done a style like this. I feel like this is so doo-wop, so 60s, so go-go. Like, I feel like I'm going to my cute little corporate job. Like, hello, I stamp papers. Like, it's giving. Hold on. Yes, it's giving. I like it though. It's giving sophisticated. It's giving classy. I ain't gonna lie. Girl, please. Let me treat this like this is the 60s. Please. There we go. Now, I gotta keep my do.